Hello my dear friends, I am Maricita Colors in English. Since today I will start to make short videos where I will show you mini tips in your threads. And be crochet, knitting, sewing, recycling and so on. So today I will begin with the uniform borders in crochet. In every row I have 90 double crochet. Here I will make the 88 double crochet. 89 here in this stitch, and the last double crochet I always make in the second chain of the beginning of the previous row. So I insert the hook in the second chain and I make the last double crochet, that is the 90 double crochet. I will explain you. For begin the next row I make 2 chains that represent the first double crochet. Is in this second chain that I make the last double crochet in the next row. So you can make here one yarn, one mark, for that you to know where you must make the last double crochet in the next row. We turn the crochet work and I don't make in this first stitch the next double crochet. I must make in the next stitch. Why? Because this stitch is of these 2 chains that are the first double crochet. So I skip this stitch and into the next I make the double crochet and I continue making my double crochet in every stitch. Like this I have my borders uniform. So when you have a question or doubt, please write me and I will try to make the short video like this. I want to invite you to subscribe here in my channel, Maricita Colors in English. It's totally free. Remember, activate the bell here in YouTube for that you can receive the post when I have a new video. And you can find me in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Thank you very much to all the persons that always watch my videos and write me, and we see us in my next mini tip Maricita. Ciao, ciao!